Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce the construction progress of the new plant area of U2 Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. First, what we see here is the office building. This is the main building. The first and second floors are office areas, while the third and fourth floors serve as dormitories. The protruding section is our cafeteria. The first floor is the dining hall, and the second floor is the staff activity room. The total construction area of this plant is 90 new, and the office building itself covers more than 4,000 square meters. Our production workshop currently has a building area of 22,000 square meters. This area is mainly for containers and workshops. Then over here, behind the office building, there is another workshop of over 15,000 square meters. In the later stage, we will complete its construction and start production.